two types. Fat-soluble, ADEK, need fat to absorb and get stored. Water-soluble, C in the B's, dissolves using water and the extra is flushed out. Let's start with the fat-soluble ones. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for vision, especially in low light, and for maintaining healthy skin and immune defenses. Deficiency can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, and higher risk of infections. Sources include carrots, pumpkins, spinach, mangoes, eggs, and liver. Absorption improves when eaten with fat, such as butter or oil. Vitamin D. Vitamin D regulates calcium and phosphorus, supporting strong bones, teeth, and muscles. Deficiency causes rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, and increases risk of bone pain and weakness. Main sources are sunlight exposure, fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. A key fact, nearly 1 billion people worldwide are estimated to have low vitamin D levels, often due to limited sun exposure. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects cell membranes and supports immune function. Deficiency is rare and can cause peripheral neuropathy, muscle weakness, and hemolytic anemia. Sources include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and wheat germ. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for activating clotting factors, the proteins that stop bleeding, and for making osteocalcin, a protein that helps bind calcium into bone. Deficiency can cause easy bruising, bleeding gums, or nosebleeds. Sources include leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli, along with cabbage and some fermented foods. Now to the water-soluble group, vitamin C and the B's. These aren't stored, so the body needs them every day. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is the key to collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm, gums healthy, and wounds healing. It also acts as an antioxidant and boosts absorption of plant-based iron. Deficiency causes scurvy, bleeding gums, fragile skin, and fatigue. Main sources are citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwis, bell peppers, and broccoli. Best taken fresh, since cooking destroys much of it. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 helps the body turn carbohydrates into energy and keeps nerves and the heart working properly. Deficiency can cause beriberi, leading to muscle weakness, nerve damage, or heart failure. Main sources are whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and pork. Being water-soluble, it must be taken regularly. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 helps make the coenzymes FAD and FMN, which are essential for releasing energy from food. Deficiency causes araboflavinosis, seen as cracked lips, a sore magenta-colored tongue, and skin irritation. Sources include milk, yogurt, eggs, lean meats, mushrooms, and fortified cereals. Fact: vitamin B2 breaks down in sunlight, which is why milk is sold in non-transparent containers. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 forms the coenzymes NAD and NADP for energy, DNA repair, and fat metabolism. Deficiency causes pellagra, marked by dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Sources include poultry, fish, peanuts, and fortified grains. Vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is needed to make coenzyme A key molecule for releasing energy and for making fatty acids. Deficiency is rare, but may cause tiredness, irritability, and a burning feeling in the feet. It's found in almost all foods. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps the body use amino acids, the building blocks of protein. B6 is needed for serotonin, mood, appetite, and for melatonin production via serotonin, which regulates sleep. Deficiency may cause irritability, anemia, and poor sleep. It's mostly found in fish, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas. Vitamin B7. Vitamin B7, better known as biotin, is key for enzymes that help make energy from fats, proteins, and carbs. In the beauty world, it's famous for supporting healthy hair, skin, and nails. Deficiency is uncommon, but can cause thinning hair, skin rashes, and weak nails. You'll get it from eggs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Fun detail: raw egg whites contain avidin, a protein that blocks biotin absorption. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 is crucial for making DNA and new cells, which is why it's especially important during pregnancy for the baby's brain and spinal cord development. Low levels can cause megaloblastic anemia, where red blood cells grow large and weak. Vitamin B9 is abundant in leafy greens, beans, citrus fruits. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for making DNA and for keeping nerves healthy by maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective layer around them. Together with B9, it supports red blood cell production, and a lack of either can cause the same type of anemia, called megaloblastic anemia. B12 is mostly found in meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and fortified foods. Absorption requires intrinsic factor, a protein from the stomach, which is why deficiency is common, both in people with absorption problems and in strict vegan